What's up, YouTube? It's your girl T Money, and I'm back with another video. You guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. So today we're doing wash day, y'all. I know I look a mess, real scary. But y'all, let me give y'all a backstory behind my hair. Okay, y'all, before I get too far into the story, I think it's called Mielle. It's supposed to be a black-owned hair company. I really like them. I had got a lot of their products last year, Black Friday, all type of oil, leave-in conditioners. When I tell you I got the works, I got the works. But let me give y'all a backstory on my hair. Okay, so first I had dyed my whole head purple. It was lovely. It went well. Then I had got some plaits. Then, like, after a while, like, the colors of the purple was fading. Then I think I threw a blue on top of it. So now I'm just messing up. I should have went and got it professional color. Went back and got it touched up or whatever. Even if I want to change the color, I just should have went to the professional people. So, long story short, I was having difficulties with my natural hair too. It's like my natural hair is so coarse and tight. It's like almost very unbearable to work with sometimes. So I just feel like maybe I should give myself like a relaxer and maybe it'll work. So I ordered me a relaxer, put the relaxer on my hair. Mind you, I don't know anything about hair really. So I put the relaxer on. The first thing that started falling off is the ends of my hair because my hair had grew out, so my roots were black again and my ends had the color on it. So all the ends with the color on it started coming out. So it's just like my hair was broke off. Now my ends is like damaged, and as you could tell, like only my roots are like, ooh girl, I need the wax. You can only tell, like, my roots are what's natural in my hair. It's like, and I've been cutting my hair for months and months and months. Like, you know, little by little, every time I get a new hairdo, I try to cut the cut the damaged hair off. But it's still so much damaged hair, like, oh my goodness. And I'm supposed to be going to Miami this weekend, so it's just like, I don't know if I want to cut it right now because the girl, she doing a wig, no, she's doing bundles in my hair, and I just want to make sure that my hair is long enough to braid, because that's why I've been, like, holding off on chopping it. But, yeah, it's time to do a big chop, so it's just time, because I look a mess. So, and I'm using the conditioner. And I really love how they still smell and everything. So, yeah, I'm trying to I don't even know how to put it. Like, I'm just trying to get my hair back healthy. So, it's a process. And I'm mad because, like, I feel like with my natural hair, I just ain't giving as much love and care as it needed. And with being natural, your hair needs a lot of care, a lot of oil, and a lot of products. So, you have to have those to make everything go together and make everything work. So just go around. I'm definitely going to make sure that I have my products, my leave-in conditioners. I got my natural hair brush. I'm just getting everything together because I really do want to take care of my natural hair. And I love being natural because I love curly hair. I love when my hair get wet and it's all these beautiful curls. But I definitely got to figure out what works best on my hair because I really don't know. Yes, I got the mint almond oil. And I love it because it make my pores feel like it's so open. That is rice water, a leave-in conditioner. It's a hydrated and moisturizer, they say. And that's a leave-in conditioner. So, that's everything that I put in my head today. And then after I put this stuff in my head, I go in the living room and I put my steamer on. I'm just trying something new because I know the steamer on the face helps open and circulate, the flow in your pores and stuff. So, I feel like it was going to do the same thing for my, scalp. So, after I put in my leave-in conditioner, my, almond oil and my rice water, I go in my living room and sit in my chair and let the steam just, do its thing. And it really felt good because that almond oil is like minty. So, anything mint make your pores and stuff feel open and like it's breathing. So, yeah, and that felt so good. And I did that. And then, I ain't gonna lie, I was so tired. I went to bed. And so this morning, I'm gonna wake up, damp my hair just a little bit, and then I'm gonna blow it out to stretch it out because I can't. My hair is the type I cannot just leave it like wet and short because the next time I go in there, it's gonna be a mess. Like it's gonna be hard to like get your fingers through it. My hair gets very coral. I think I'm saying it right. So yeah, that's really it. I don't do too much for wash day because I know that black people hair grow better when it's a little dirty, not as super clean. So I try to wash my hair like maybe once a week, or when my hair is not like with weave, I try to wash it maybe once a week, twice a week. But I do not like washing my natural hair too much because natural hair already have its own oils and stuff that it creates on its own. So I don't want to be stripping my hair of its own nutrients and proteins. So I try not to wash my hair that often. So like this.
How very perfect indeed.
Any sign of him yet? Should your brother wish to be obeyed as Lord Bridgerton, he must act as Lord Bridgerton. Where is he, Benedict?
I do not know.
You're here.
Of course I'm here, sister. I've never missed such an important day for you and our family.
Oh, you would just be late for it.
Shall
Already guys, this is the last little bit of my video of me steaming my hair.
Today
Thank
is
y'all
a
for watching my
most
video. Make
important
sure you guys
day,
like, comment, and
and for
subscribe.
some,
And you
a
guys already
terrifying
know.
one.
Until next time,
For today is
bye.
the day London's marriage-minded misses are presented to Her Majesty the Queen. May God have mercy on their souls.